All right, this is how to completely clear and erase, factory reset your iPhone 12. Let's get right into it. First, you want to have your iTunes open. And with your iTunes open and your iPhone 12 off, you're going to connect it with the Lightning. And immediately, you're going to hold down volume down and the power button. It has to be quick. 1, 2, 3. Plugged in, and immediately power and volume down. We'll wait for the Apple logo to come on here, and then we'll see it connect to iTunes in just another moment right there. All right, now in iTunes, it's going to tell us that there's a problem. There's not a problem. We just want to restore the device. You want to choose restore because that will clean all data off, and we'll read the verification here. Are you sure you want to restore the iPhone to its factory settings? All of your media and other data will be erased, and the newest version of the iPhone software will be installed. We're going to choose right here restore and update, and I'm going to push pause as the computers talk to each other. Stand by. And we're back, and this device happens to be activation locked, but it has been completely cleared and wiped of all information. It can be sent to a recycler now, or a parter that can dismantle it for the camera, switches, LCD, and whatnot. So please like and subscribe if you've been helped by this video. Thank you.